Cash has found a new way to crawl. Come on, Cash, get the thing.
They're being nice to her, I think. Look at her. She's a grandma. And look how old she is. Compared to me.
Come on, let's see you crawl. Stop being such a ham for the camera and crawl. There he goes.
Look at her leg. They're holding her leg up.
He's come all the way where that bee was, all the way over here. He's gonna crawl right out the door.